In this tutorial you will learn how to create professional and custom curved solid color and dotted arrows in Photoshop. Say goodbye to downloading them from Google in PNG format. We will cover creating custom arrows in any direction and size according to your preferences. I will guide you through the process of crafting both dotted and solid colored curved arrows, so make sure to watch the entire video without skipping any parts because every step is crucial. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I will demonstrate how to create dotted arrows, and then I will show you the steps to design solid colored arrows. So let's jump into dotted color arrows tutorial. First, open a new document, then select the pen tool, then select the shape, then choose no color, and then adjust the size and color of the stroke according to your preference. Then choose dotted type of stroke. With the pen tool, you can draw any type of arrows you want. Then just add an arrowhead. Adjust its size according to your preference. You can also change its color through color overlay. You can also create solid arrows by selecting solid type. Make a copy of the arrowhead by pressing Ctrl+J. Then adjust it on the second arrow. Now, let's jump into the solid color arrows tutorial. First, select the pen tool, and then choose path, not the shape. Draw an arrow shape as you need using the pen tool, and follow along as I demonstrate how to do it. Next, select an adjustment layer and choose solid color, then pick the color you want. Now, let's create an arrowhead for the arrow. Follow me and adjust it according to your preference. Select the both layers by holding Shift, and then create a group to change its color. Then double-click the group layer. Then choose Color Overlay and pick the color you want. Now, let's take a practical example. I will speed up the video. Just follow the tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments section.